Hi, it's Sarah Jane here at Natural Heating, and this is a little video for Gillian because Gillian is having an Aspect 14 like we've got in the shop and she wants to cook on it, and I told her she can. So this is a dead easy one that we've been doing recently and I thought Gillian might like it, and if the rest of you might want to follow along anyway because it's quite good fun. So this is my Aspect 14 that we've got burning in the shop today. And what I have here is a Lidl's discounted chicken cook in the bag, which is in a little foil container, and a couple of baking trays. So I've done this with smaller trays, but this is just what I've got to hand in at the shop. I just don't want to put the plastic bag directly on top of the stove. So I've got the chicken, which is in a little foil tray in a cook in the oven bag. And we're literally just going to put it on top of this stove. And then I've got another tray, which I'm going to put on top to use like a cloche. Now, the heat on this is so intense off the top of this great big stove that it cooked the chicken in about an hour and a half to 2 hours. It is only a small chicken. It's not roasted. It comes out more like boiling the bag. But it's nice and tender and it makes awesome sandwiches. It's kind of steamed inside. So chicken is hiding in there. And that's not too bad to fit over the top. And we'll come back and show you it in a little while. Right, here we go. It's been just over an hour and a half. And this will be nice and hot, hot, hot. Very hot. And our chicken is well cooked. You can see all the juices in there. And see, it's not like roasted, it's more like steamed or boil in the bag chicken. So we're just going to get a pair of scissors and click into that so you can see. And I better not put them down on top of the stove or we'll soon melt them, that's for sure. Right, okay. One-handed. We have a fork. And you'll see this is more than well cooked through. Can't do it with one hand. Right, I couldn't do this with one hand hot on top of the stove, so I brought it into the packing bay in the warehouse. And you can see that even the leg meat is really well cooked. See, it's not browned because well, we just cooked it on top and steamed it, but that'll be beautiful sandwiches. Lovely and soft.